Ever seen a beat-up car fly through the air like it's in a Fast and Furious movie? Only it's missing a door and the windshield's cracked? Welcome to Redneck Rallycross, where junkyard dreams meet full-throttle chaos. This isn't polished motorsport. It's raw, gritty, loud, and downright fun. Forget carbon fiber, think rusted metal, duct tape, and pure heart. But here's the kicker. There's real money on the line. That's right. Race your busted car, and if you're good or lucky, you walk away with cash. Sound crazy? It kind of is. Stick around, because in this video, we're diving deep into the wild world of Redneck Rallycross. The highs, the lows, the stories, and the strategy. So what exactly is Redneck Rallycross? It's a grassroots racing event where competitors build or buy old cheap cars and push them to the absolute limit. Races happen on off-road dirt tracks full of jumps, mud pits, tight corners, and more. These aren't professional rally cars, they're beaters. Old trucks, sedans, hatchbacks, and whatever still runs, sort of. The goal? Survive the course, go fast, and outlast the chaos. Most races are timed or bracket-style competitions. Sometimes you win by being the fastest, other times just by still having four wheels at the finish line. It's unpredictable, dirty, and wildly entertaining. One of the coolest parts? The cars. These machines come straight from scrap yards or backyards. Drivers slap on bigger tires, maybe weld the doors shut and rip out anything not essential. Safety is still a must. So you'll often see roll cages, harnesses, and helmets, but outside that, anything goes. Spray-painted numbers, funny names, bumper stickers from the 90s. It's all part of the look. Some cars have themes, like a patriotic minivan or a zombie apocalypse coupe. Others are just functional wrecks. What matters most is if it runs and jumps without falling apart, and every dent tells a story. These cars have character, and that's what makes the racing so personal. You might think the drivers are all gearheads, but it's more than that. Sure, some are backyard mechanics. Others are farmers, college kids, weekend warriors, or total newcomers. Some race for the adrenaline. Others just want to see if their $300 car can survive the madness. You'll find folks who've never raced before, and those who've built dozens of rallycross rides. Everyone's got a reason, and that's what makes the pit area so fun. People help each other out, share tools, and swap stories. It's competitive, but it's also a community. And once you race once, you're probably coming back for more. Now let's talk tracks. Redneck Rallycross isn't held on pristine circuits. These are rough, custom-built dirt tracks made to challenge man and machine. Expect steep jumps, tight hairpins, muddy straights, and surprise obstacles. Some tracks even have water crossings or sand sections. No two laps feel the same, and every driver has to adjust. Fast. Handling is everything. If you come in too hot to a jump, you're flying sideways. Too slow into a corner, you're stuck in the mud. The track's trying to beat you as much as the competition is. Each event has different rules, but the basics are the same. You show up with your car, pass tech inspection, and get grouped by class or heat. There might be time trials, head-to-head races, or elimination brackets. Points are often awarded for position, clean driving, and crowd reaction. Sometimes there's even a hard luck award for the wildest crash or funniest breakdown. There's usually a cash prize for the winner, and bragging rights for everyone else. Between races, drivers refuel, fix up their cars, and strategize for the next heat. You'll see everything from tire swaps to emergency duct tape fixes. It's fast, it's frantic, and every second counts. Miss your heat? Too bad. Your junker might just lose its shot at glory. That's how high the stakes feel, even on a shoestring budget. Ask anyone who's raced Redneck Rallycross, the stories are wild. Like the guy who backflipped his Crown Vic off a jump and landed wheels down. Or the girl who raced in a wedding dress and then won. Breakdowns are common, but sometimes cars just refuse to quit. There are heart-pounding wins, heartbreaking crashes, and plenty of mid-race surprises. Fans love it because it's real. No million-dollar sponsors or corporate rules. Just raw racing with duct tape and guts. Some days you win. Some days your hood flies off mid-jump and the crowd goes nuts. But every day it's unforgettable. Redneck Rallycross is exploding in popularity, and it's easy to see why. It's affordable, it's accessible, and it's just plain fun to watch. Social media's helped it blow up. Viral clips of wild crashes and hilarious cars are everywhere. More and more events are popping up across the country. Some even have food trucks, music, and family-friendly zones. It's become part motorsport, part festival. And whether you're racing or just watching, there's never a dull moment. It's blue-collar motorsport at its best. You might be wondering, can anyone join? Usually yes. Just check the rules, bring a safe car, and pay a small fee. Do the cars survive more than one race? Sometimes, but don't count on it. How much does it cost to build a rallycross car? Anywhere from $300 to $2,500 depending on how lucky or handy you are. Is it safe? It's rough, but organizers take safety seriously. Helmets, harnesses, roll cages are often required. Is there strategy? Absolutely. Tire choice, suspension tweaks, and driving lines matter more than you think. Would I try it? In a heartbeat. It's the most fun you can have in a junk car, period. So, if you've got an old car, a bit of courage and a love for dirt, Redneck Rallycross might be calling your name. It's wild, unpredictable, and surprisingly deep. There's more strategy than meets the eye, and a sense of community you won't find in many other racing scenes. Plus, where else can you win money while jumping a minivan over tires? Whether you're here for laughs, thrills, or mechanical mayhem, there's something for you. If this video fired you up, hit that like button. Subscribe for more grassroots racing content, behind-the-scenes stories, and real-deal motorsport adventures. And hey, if you've raced in a Redneck Rallycross or plan to, drop a comment below. Tell us your car's name, your wildest moment, or your best advice for new drivers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the track.